everyone, my name is Rhonda R Robson and I am a fluid artist right smack dab in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa, and today is a pendulum. So I did this really unique painting and then I did I varnished it, but I varnished it too soon. And what happens sometimes when you varnish too soon, when your paint's not cured, it cracks. And so I created a lot of times what I do when a painting cracks is I want to then create texture. And so what I decided to do is I painted over top of it a metallic black. And I'm not sure if it was metallic Mars black or what it was, but it was a metallic black. I'll tell you down below because I'll watch it on the video here soon. And I created this with metallic black, and then I took gold and I created a pendulum. So this has the texture behind there. It is cracked and it actually looks really cool. So you've got the cracked of that here. I've got some texture up above here and down below here, and then you add the texture of the pendulum. And the pendulum's beautiful. I think it's probably one of my favorite pendulums that I've done. It's thin. There's not a lot of skipping, although there is there and there is there. Not a lot of drips. So this, I love it. So let me get you down on the canvas and let me show you exactly how I did this one. Thanks for joining me. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Bye. Bye. Okay, so while I'm doing pendulums, I'm going to cover this one with a dark charcoal gray, different from this one, but a little bit similar. When I did this was actually just kind of a fun project that I just kept using this blue and white techniques and different techniques, and I actually really liked it. It was just something different, but when I put the varnish on it, it cracked. I'm going to go ahead and do a pendulum on it, utilizing the texture like I did on this one over here with the cracks. So I'm going to go ahead and put this metallic, bright metallic paint on there and cover it with this. And yeah, so we'll see how it looks when it's done too. But I really like this metallic black with white or silver pendulum. I think it looks super sophisticated and cool, and I like the texture behind it as well. So yeah, so we're just gonna do that here. There we go. Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America. Oh, anyway, it's been a long morning.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.